Hi everyone. Welcome to Introduction to Visual Design. In this course, you'll learn the fundamentals of graphic design, and we will use the principles and elements of design to create really fun artwork using Photoshop. Our projects are going to include things like magazine covers and horror movie posters. This is a beginning class though, and no prerequisites are required. My name is Tina Howland, and I started my education at North Seattle College. Then I transferred to Otis College of Art and Design, where I graduated with a Bachelor of Fine Arts. I majored in illustration. Later, I returned to the UCLA Extension Digital Arts program to update my computer and software skills. As a commercial artist for over 25 years, I've worked as an illustrator, set painter, web designer, and front-end developer. I've worked as a graphic designer and art director. I've worked in a variety of settings in the Southern LA area, including for agencies on movies and entertainment projects like Mission Impossible 2, Anna and the King, The Ellen DeGeneres Show, Dancing with the Stars, and others. I've also worked at marketing agencies on projects for McDonald's, Target, Disney, Coca-Cola, and other recognizable brands. After working for others, I opened and ran my own studio for about 15 years. Now I teach full-time, but I still do client work on a part-time basis. I love teaching though. And don't tell anyone, but this is my favorite class. I'm excited to be here and I hope you are too. Please know that although this is an online class, I really want to meet you. I love Zoom meetings. I will be available often throughout the semester, and I hope that you reach out to me by Zoom or inbox me, and I hope that you have a great class.